Welcome to this IPEmotion data analysis presentation. In this video, I will show you how to analyze Graphtec data files with IPEmotion. With the new IPEmotion release 2013.1, an import filter for Graphtec data loggers was implemented. The import was developed in cooperation with ALTHEN Mess and Sensortechnik, who is one of the strongest Graphtec distributors in Europe. IPEmotion is available as a special analysis edition for cost-effective data analysis and post-processing applications. The main benefits to use IPEmotion as an analysis software are, with one software package, the GBD data files from all Graphtec loggers can be analyzed. You have easy drag-and-drop functions for chart analysis. You can apply cursors with measurement statistics to the data file. There are plenty of offline mass calculations available, which can be stored also in a formula pool. You can directly generate reports in IPEmotion, and you can import and export data formats like CSV, Excel, Diagram, and MATLAB. I'm now starting the IPEmotion Analysis Edition. As you can see, the ribbon provides three work areas: Data Manager, Analysis, and Reporting. Each one will be explained in turn. In the Data Manager and the Analysis work area, you can load data. I'm now loading a Graphtec data file. In the Data Manager, you have a tabulated overview of the loaded file. On the left-hand side, you see the channels included in the data file. On the right-hand side, we see the channels with the rows of the data. Here in this property section, we can see the vendor, the model, and the start and end time of recording. This is basically the metadata included in the data. You've all seen plenty of export functions in the Data Manager to send the data to CSV, Diagram, Excel, MATLAB, and so on. I'm now switching to the graphical data analysis area. On the left-hand side, we see again the channels. With drag and drop, I can directly generate a graphical presentation in a YT chart. To add mass functions, I select the data file and add a calculation. In this formula interface, we have here on the right-hand side the mass operations, and I search for the mean function. On the left-hand side, we can see the list of all the channels, and I select channel 1 to apply the mean function. Now the formula is included in the data file. I add it to the pool, and with drag and drop, I make it part of the graphical presentation of the YT chart. Now I would like to show you the data analysis tool. The tools are available here in the ribbon, or you use the keyboard functions as I do. With the control keyboard, I can squeeze or stretch the axis, and with the shift key, I can zoom into the graph to go into the details. You can activate one cursor or two cursors, which are used to calculate statistics. Here we have a measurement window, which can be placed in any part of the graph. And between the cursor lines, the statistics are calculated. If you like, you can also export the data in the cursor range by opening the head-up display and using the export function, chart channels, or all the channels for the export. You can also add several pages to your analysis overview and include different graphical elements. We have seen the YT chart, XY chart, map, and a video display are also available. And again, you just drag and drop the channels to the graphs to get a graphical presentation. Finally, I would like to show you how to generate the report. Just click on Reporting in the ribbon, and the report preview is automatically generated. The report consists of a cover sheet, the project parameters, which include metadata of the data file, and your report pages created from the previous analysis area. If you like, you can add graphical elements like lines, arrows, pictures, or text elements to your report. I add now a picture element, position it on the report, and link a picture of the GS7000 data logger to it. If you hit now the preview button, you get a finished report in front of you, including the cover page, the page with the parameter information from the data file, and the diagrams originally generated in the analysis work. A direct conversion to PDF is also supported. Now I'm generating the PDF file. Thank you very much for your attention and enjoy your data analysis with IPEmotion.